Hey guys, Steve 24 again here at the range. Today I've got my Remington AAC 700 Blackout, AAC SD in 300 Blackout with a Nikon P300 Blackout scope, and it's got a Thompson Machine ISIS 2 9mm suppressor. We're doing a little sound comparison here. We've got two different rounds to shoot. This is a 190 grain cast lead bullet with 4.5 grains of red dot. The next one's a 203 grain cast lead powder coated from Palmetto State Armory with 4.5 grains of red dot. Now, this is my load. Use at your own risk. I'm not liable for any misuse of this load. So we're going to shoot the 190 grain, and the next shot will be the 203 to see sound comparison. And here we go. That was the 190. The next step is 203. Two, three sound a little quieter. It's going a little slower. Same powder charge. I ran them both with the chrono today, and the 190 is going 942 feet per second, and the 203 was like 860 feet per second. So that was 300 Blackout. Now we know what it sounds like. I'm probably going to be placing an order for those Palmettos because I shot some groups with them compared to mine. Mine was shooting okay. I mean, about an 1.5 inch group at 50 yards with the 190s that I cast. But those Palmettos are shooting tighter than that. So next video coming up might be shooting some groups with the particular rifle. Alright guys, I'd like for you to like, subscribe, share with your friends, your family. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day and God bless.